The 2023 Lamborghini Revuelto is a striking machine with a bold and aggressive design. However, there are still some areas of exterior that could be improved upon. Here are the few design improvements of 2023 Lamborghini Revuelto. But wait, if you want to know about Lamborghini, click on the I button. So let's start with the front area, where I will replace the entire light design and I will also reposition it to make it seem a bit cleaner. I will also remove this blank space in the both sides. I plan to redesign the bumper based on the previous versions. I will also make the front fenders appear larger, and I will also add a splitter because it looks awful without one. Let us now go with the rest of the area. Here I will make this body line continuous and rebuild this ugly vent here. These sections will be also modified and a side skirt will be added here. Also check out the video where I have made a Nissan hypercar.
That's for sure.